Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. The talk of the town is TCS Buyback, and you will see as a trader how we can capture. The first thing is that normally the companies will do buyback only when the share prices are very much depressed. Let us say I am running a company, the company has got a lot of surplus cash, but in market my company's prices are trading at a much lower than the valuation which I am thinking. In that case, what I can do, I can use the money from my company to buy the shares back. That will improve the confidence of the investors. But everybody is wondering why TCS is going for a buyback. First, the share price is at all-time high, and second, just few months before it was trading closer to 1500. Now the price is almost doubled in the last few months, and why they want to buy at double the price in a matter of few months time. So this is a question comes to everyone's mind, and we don't know what is the real logic behind all this buyback. And the company has very little public shareholding. As per SEBI rules, the promoter cannot hold more than 75%. Minimum 25% must be with the public. But in case of TCS, it's already only about 28% is with the public. That means how much they can buy back? The maximum of 10%. So therefore, I expect not more than 10% of the public shares will be bought back. So that means if you are holding 10 shares, they may be ready to buy only 1 share. And lot of rumors are floating around about the price. Many people think that they will be buying at 3,000 rupees. So in that case, it's about 200 to 300 points higher than the current market price. That will translate into only 25 to 30 rupees as the price advantage for you if you are holding 10 shares and if 1 share is being accepted. And that is not a big significant change, but due to the sentiment, the price shot up 7.5% yesterday. And today it opened higher, but now it is trading slightly lower. How I captured this opportunity? Yes, I do not know whether the price will go up or the price will come down. And even today morning somebody asked me, sir, I am going to buy TCS in futures. Considering the buyback, I am expecting the price to go up. But what happened? In the morning it opened higher, then after that it has fallen more than 70 rupees from the intraday high. So therefore, it's not a good idea to go long or short unless you are a long-term investor. Even for a long-term investor, the price has already doubled nearly in the last few months. So I'm not comfortable. So what I did, I'm going to show you here. I'm showing you the implied volatility chart here. I just zoom in for the 10 days one, and you see this is the day before yesterday data. So the day before yesterday, the implied volatility, you can see it was only 33 versus the historical volatility of 34. Now, what happened yesterday, because of this buyback news, so the price has shot up 7.5%, and then the implied volatility from around 33 something, it went up to 39. And look at the IV percentile, which was around 64, 65, that has gone to 82. So usually implied volatility is higher and IV percentile is above 80. Normally what I do, that is the time I take short straddle. Short straddle means selling the call option and put option at the same strike price. Yesterday, it closed around 2700 and I did a straddle at 2700, and today, right now, if you look at it, the straddle price, 2700 straddle, you can see the call option fell 26 rupees, put option increased 12 rupees. So that gives a profit of about 14 rupees per straddle. The lot size is 300. 14 rupees into 300 is more than 4,000 rupees. And if you look at the margin calculator, the margin is approximately 1.5 lakh only. So this is showing 2.09 lakh, but this premium will be credited back. So the effective margin will be this one minus this one is only about 1.5 lakh rupees. With 1.5 lakh rupees margin, just one trading session, I have more than 4,000 rupees profit. And because I am having a 4,000 rupees profit, I am just putting a stop loss and maintaining the position. And so tomorrow, the company will be declaring the results. And after the results, I am expecting the IV to crash further so that I can come out with at least 8,000 to 10,000 rupees profit. Thank you for watching.